For the past 12 years, Coalatree has been on a mission to bring you versatile apparel and accessories made from sustainable materials. Today, our goal remains the same. Introducing the Suray Sunshirt. Made with environmentally safe zinc ions that are embedded into the fabric, the Suray Sunshirt packs an odor-fighting punch. This naturally antimicrobial fabric fights bacteria and fungi on contact, keeping you smelling and feeling fresh. Because these properties are naturally occurring and embedded into the fabric, the Sunshirt and its UPF 50+ rating are built to last and will never wash out. With sleeves that cover your hands, a spacious hood, and a long torso, you will be protected from UV rays no matter what your day may bring. The Suray shirt has a zippered side pocket with plenty of room for your phone, keys, or snacks. Featuring 4-way stretch that moves with you, the Suray shirt is ready for any adventure. Always on the go? The Suray Sunshirt packs down inside itself for easy storage and portability. For this project, Coalatree has partnered with factories in the Dominican Republic that are committed to empowering their communities and lifting female voices by placing women in leadership roles. Creating this product closer to home has allowed us to reduce our carbon emissions by more than 50% in comparison to traditional production methods. We are proud to add yet another revolutionary product to our extensive collection of eco-minded apparel, one that you're sure to love. The Suray Sunshirt is available in 3 different patterns and a variety of colorways. Back us now on Kickstarter to be one of the first to get the all-new Suray Sunshirt.